Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 30. Which of the following is the major advantage of establishing tomato processing factory in a country? A. Local consumption will decrease. B. More unskilled labor will be employed. C. Foreign will be conserved. D. It will attract more tourists. So basically what we are looking at is the advantages or the advantage of establishing any form of processing factory. So in this scenario, it is specifically a tomato processing factory in a country, but basically the concept we are looking at are or is the advantage or advantages of processing industries. Now, basically, establishing industries has numerous advantages, and some of these advantages include production of goods and services at cheaper rates, You also have improvements of economy due to the fact that importation of goods or products is minimized, so the economy of the country will greatly improve. Then you also have creation of employment, both skilled and unskilled labor. Now, basically, the difference between skilled and unskilled labor is that skilled labor is any form of labor that requires specialized or special training, and then unskilled does not require this special training. So unskilled labor basically could include or involve laborers, manual labor of any sort. Now, establishing any form of processing factory in a nation will lead to an increase in employment, especially for unskilled labor. So the correct answer to this question is B. More unskilled labor will be employed. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.